Hello everyone, today is March 30th, 2025. It's been roughly 3 months since I planted these seeds. You might have seen the half update I gave on the Semia channel. They have grown. So I will call this one number 1, and the back row here will be 1 through 6. You'll see that some have multiple stems. This one in particular has 3, a couple of them have 2. And this is called polyembryony. And I looked it up. It seems very common with citrus trees. A few of them I will dissect and discard for scientific purposes, let's say. And some of the other ones I will be gifting away. It's not a giveaway on the channel. I'm not going to send these by mail, but I have a few acquaintances here in the city that are plant lovers and that have already expressed an interest in receiving some of these plants. And to my surprise, a lot of the plants are very healthy. The roots are becoming a bit too big, and they are starting to spill over. It's not too bad though. If I compare both of them, these are the first 2 that sprouted. One is significantly taller than the other one. Should do this outside, not inside. This is not a, I did not think it would expand this much. It's very condensed. So okay, I have another bowl. So I thought I could do this without making a mess. Turns out I can't. So this will have to do. I have a lot of soil, way more than I need. But that's fine, I'll know for next time. And yeah, I guess we'll go dissect and then transplant. So that is not how I thought it would look. So that everything is indeed connected. This is a single plant. I can do this, right? I can do that. There's no need for dissecting in the end. I don't know why I thought I'd be dissecting anything. So now we are left with 8 plants. I'm taking 2 for myself. I'm taking number 2, and I'm taking number 7. At first, I thought number 1 and 2 would be my favorites. But number 1 is still doing all right, but it's not as big. And so I reckon that number 2 and number 7 are my healthiest, although that's a bit subjective. And the other ones, well, you know. So, Kalamansi plants, part 2. These plants are 1 year old. They've grown a little bit, but interestingly, they also stopped growing for about 6 months this summer. And they were actually stuck having only 4 leaves each. It's easier to see on this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 first leaves, that's all I could see for the entirety of summer and part of autumn. And then I put them inside, I added fertilizer, I repotted them, new soil, and now they're doing better. I also cut a little bit. I cut one. There was the very start of a 5th leaf as well that was growing, but it stopped growing for multiple months. But overall, they're both doing fine. They're both green. It's been a year. They're not growing as much as you might see a calamansi plant normally grow in a tropical region, but given the cooler Canadian climate, they will not be producing any fruits for some time still. See, it's a very interesting arrangement of stems and leaves here. We'll see how they grow. I hope they keep growing, but it's been a fun experiment and I am enjoying the process.